Samsung should be worried now because globally, Samsung was among the few companies which was selling practically possible folding phone, and now it seems a lot of big players are also jumping into this niche. Although the company which sold most foldable smartphones worldwide is Huawei, but we know that Huawei phones doesn't have Google services, so people still hesitate to buy them. But now, Honor is all set to challenge Samsung's dominance in the global smartphone market. Its folding phone, the Honor Magic V3, sold pretty well in the global smartphone market, and now Honor is all set to step into the flip phones category to challenge the Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series. So yeah, on June 13, Honor will be unveiling the Honor Magic V Flip in China. And ahead of the launch date, the brand is very busy revealing key details about the device. The company recently took to its Weibo account to release a teaser video to highlight new features of the Honor Magic V Flip's cover screen. But before looking into the teaser video, just look at these pictures. Well, generally speaking, Honor always comes with the new approach. This time around, this smartphone comes with the dual screen experience. It means around 35% of the external screen functions independently to display items such as time and notifications as shown in the images, and the remaining portion seemingly allows users to run apps in an aspect ratio similar to the main display. And Honor says it is the largest display in the industry, which allows users to directly open commonly used applications without unfolding the device. All these apps include maps, short videos, social communications, and food delivery services. So the thing is, since it allows users to do many things on the outer screen, it reduces the need to open and use the main screen unless really required, such as for the more complex tasks or larger reviewing areas. With that said, for the time being, we don't have the clarification regarding the internal screen of the phone, but we have still days left for the launch event, so I am pretty sure that I will find some more details regarding the phone as well. But I do know that the Magic V Flip is expected to arrive with 12GB of RAM with 3 storage options including 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. Further, it will have a 4800 mAh of battery with 66-watt fast charging and a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. It will be sold in black, white and pink shades. There will be a limited edition variant too that will be offering a 16GB of RAM plus a 1TB of storage. Talking about its availability and pricing, well, for the time being, it will be releasing in China only, and right after that, Honor will release it globally. And yes, we don't know anything about its price tag yet. However, this phone might sell really good due to a new approach like this new display. What do you think about it? Well, let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, the story continues, and I will see you guys in the next one.